Inhale. Slow punch. Each knee, sun, chi, and go. Squeeze. Yummy. Down. One more. Ready. Inhale, inhale. Exhale. Each knee, sun, chi, and go. Squeeze. Down. Ready. Tandaan ha. Inhale muna. Then, itong kamay lagi siyang dadaan sa gilid. Okay? Then, dito magkitwist sa dulo. Then, exhale, squeeze. Okay? Bring down your feet. Para hindi kayo patumba kasi tutulak ko kayo naman. Ready?